come past this red one, now you want to aim straight at that. That takes you out dead center out the channel.
Right.
And the same thing when you come back in, you keep that dead center behind you and you line up to come in this way.
We're just now getting ready to go out into the ocean. We got Tina operating the camera. We got Tom here from our local club, and we got my new first mate, Charlie. And I got Captain Ryan next to me. Captain Ryan is on Sea Nuts, and so is Tina, the camera person. I'm on the right of that.
Oh no, you're going out then. Past the red, and it's straight.
That tower is just a buoy. That's a green buoy. That would be dangerous ground, what you said there. Now again, local knowledge. Once you get past that green, you can make a right anytime you want. It's deep. You cannot make a left. It's shoaled up out about halfway out to the sea buoy. It's only 5-6 feet.
Got that, Charlie? Yep.
So
So
if you want to head north to go to North Carolina, you have to go out to the sea buoy and make a left. But anytime you want to go south, you can just get out here a ways where you feel comfortable and then turn.
Just past the jetty.
And because the parade is on the right